Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Connor Price here, and this song is called Falling Behind. It's a little bit different from what I heard from Connor before. Maybe it's just me. I haven't went through his all his songs in that way, but so far this stands out a little bit from his other songs that I heard. So Falling Behind, love this song. So let's go into it. And we have a capo here on the 2nd fret. That is the best scenario for us. And with that, we're going to go with 3 chords. Okay, so let's start with the chords. We're going to start with the F major 7. So that goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the last chord will be C. That will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the chord progression, that is what's going on through the entire song. Very easy transitions from F to A minor to C. You're gonna keep that 1st fret B string there throughout this song, okay? So let's go into the strumming, and we're gonna learn it with the F major, that's the 1st chord. 1 string around goes down, down, up, down, up. Very common strumming pattern, and a couple of rounds goes. All right, so down, down, up is 1 round. You're gonna play F major 1 round, A minor 1 round, and C 2 rounds. And that's it. So F1, A minor 1, C2, like this. Again. F, A, C, C. Alright guys, doesn't have to be harder than that. Connor Price, Falling Behind. Take a look on it and play. Till next time, play tuned.